Welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss about railways. Central Railways to add panic switches at 117 stations, a step towards enhanced passenger safety in India. In a move that promises to significantly enhance passenger safety on the Indian railway network, the Central Railways (CR) has announced plans to install panic switches at 117 stations across its vast network. This initiative, unveiled by CR General Manager Ram Karan Yadav, marks a crucial step towards empowering passengers and fostering a more secure travel experience. Empowering passengers in times of need. The panic switches, strategically placed at prominent locations on platforms, will serve as a direct and immediate means for passengers to alert the Railway Protection Force (RPF) in case of emergencies. This could encompass situations ranging from medical distress and accidents to instances of crime or harassment. By pressing the switch, passengers will trigger an alert at the RPF control center, prompting swift response from security personnel. Impact on passenger confidence. The installation of these panic switches holds immense potential to boost passenger confidence, particularly for vulnerable groups like women, children, and senior citizens. The knowledge that help is readily available at the touch of a button can significantly alleviate anxieties and instill a sense of security while traveling. This, in turn, can lead to increased ridership and a more vibrant railway ecosystem. Technological integration for enhanced response. The CR plans to integrate these panic switches with existing surveillance systems like CCTV cameras. This will enable the RPF to pinpoint the location of the distress signal and dispatch personnel accordingly. Additionally, the system could be equipped with audio or visual feedback mechanisms to acknowledge the alert and reassure passengers that help is on its way. Addressing concerns and challenges. While the initiative holds immense promise, certain concerns and challenges require careful consideration. One key aspect is ensuring the proper functioning and maintenance of the panic switches. Robust systems need to be in place to prevent false alarms and ensure timely response to genuine emergencies. Additionally, training the RPF personnel on effectively responding to panic alerts and managing various emergency situations is crucial. Beyond panic switches, a holistic approach to safety. The installation of panic switches should not be viewed as a standalone measure. It must be part of a comprehensive strategy that encompasses various aspects of passenger safety. This includes adequate RPF deployment, improved station lighting and cleanliness, enhanced awareness campaigns, and stricter enforcement of safety regulations. Looking ahead, a ripple effect of safety initiatives. The Central Railways initiative to install panic switches has the potential to trigger a ripple effect across the Indian railway network. Other railway zones could adopt and adapt this model, gradually equipping stations across the country with similar safety measures. This collective effort can lead to a significant improvement in passenger safety, making the Indian railways a more secure and comfortable mode of transportation for all. Conclusion. The Central Railways' decision to install panic switches at 117 stations is a commendable step towards prioritizing passenger safety. This initiative, coupled with a comprehensive approach to security and awareness, holds immense promise for enhancing the travel experience for millions of passengers across India. As the project unfolds, it will be crucial to monitor its effectiveness and address any challenges that arise. By learning from this experience and adapting the model to suit specific needs, the Indian railway network can usher in a new era of safety and comfort for its passengers, making it a truly world-class transportation system. Thanks for watching.